Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Welcome to my channel. I am a hairstylist and salon owner in Georgia, and I post tutorials like these. So this is my friend Reese. It's been about 7 months since she had her hair colored, but we did recently put in some extensions, but decided to brighten her up. So we are removing her older extensions. So this is her hair without her extensions. It's like that perfect level 7 warm light brown hair color that blends perfectly with blonde highlights, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Since we are wanting a more impactful blonde, I am taking slices, but it's more of like a baby slice. So I am sectioning the hair, and then I'm taking about 1/4 inch subsections and only pulling it down where we need it to go. So I'm not overlapping her blonde too much, just to keep her hair healthy. But she does have a lot of brunette to get through, so I am having to pull it down quite a bit. And as you can probably tell, I tend to apply my lightener in a side-to-side brush stroke pattern before going downward with it, just to make sure that the section is fully saturated, and that's why it should look fully white before I fold the foil. And as you're about to see here, I am taking a towel and wiping over the corners of the folded parts of the foil. I just do that whenever I feel like I put a little too much lightener over on the side of the foil, because lightener swells under heat and sometimes just in foils without heat. So I don't want it to swell outside of the fold of the foil and get on any other hair, causing those bleeders. I like to take diagonal back sections on the sides just for the most brightness and impact around the face, especially when she wears her hair up in a ponytail.
Your hair was on my chest. We saw the stars. They aren't shining quite as bright like years apart. Take your love, take my life. Fight it up, you pass me by. I just wish that you'd seen me a little better than I was. Smoking mirrors.
For the money piece, I am taking 3 super thin back-to-back slices. Then through the rest of the mohawk section, I am just taking super small subsections and literally taking half of them and putting them in the foil just to get it as bright as possible.
Like before, I don't wanna see the starlight anymore. Take your love, take my life. Fight it up.
Okay, so this is a finished foiled look. These are the Love My Leopard foils by Style Tech. They're awesome and they don't slip. A little coffee break, and one of the most satisfying parts, the foil pull. And look at that lift, y'all. So this is her natural raw lift, and it lifted exactly how I wanted it to, but I'm still gonna go in with a root tap and a gloss as well. So I tapped her with 6N, 6NA, and I tapped her a little bit less around the money pieces right there and brought it a little bit further down toward the back, and then I just brushed it down with my comb. I let her process for about 8 minutes, and I glossed her with 9GI 9P by Redken Shade ZQ. Oh my god, this blonde turned out so creamy and so bright and perfectly blended at the root, so it will stay low maintenance for her and she won't have to get it done all the time. Here are the after photos for you guys, and if you like videos like these and want to see more, please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.